In today's video, I am going to teach you how to eject a music disc from a jukebox in Minecraft 26.1.2, updated 2026 guide. This is a very simple action in Minecraft, and it only takes a moment once you are standing in front of the correct block. To begin, find a jukebox that is currently playing a music disc. You will know it is active because music will be coming from it. Make sure you are close enough to interact with the jukebox directly. Once you have found the jukebox, walk right up to it. Face the front or top of the block so your crosshair is aimed at the jukebox itself. This is important because you need to interact with the jukebox block, not with another block nearby. If you are too far away, the action may not work, so move in until you are within normal interaction range. When you are in position, right-click the jukebox. On some devices or control setups, this may be the standard use or interact button instead of a mouse right-click, but the action is the same. As soon as you do this, the music disc will eject from the jukebox. The disc will pop out as an item, and the music will stop playing immediately. After the disc pops out, look for it on the ground near the jukebox. Move over to the item to pick it up. Once you collect it, the music disc will return to your inventory, where you can keep it, move it to storage, or place it into a jukebox again later. If the disc does not come out right away, make sure the jukebox actually has a disc inside and that you are interacting with the jukebox itself. In most cases, standing close and using the correct interact button is all you need to do. The process is quick and works the same way anytime you want to remove a disc from a jukebox that is currently holding one. So the full process is simple. Find a jukebox that is playing a music disc. Walk up to it. Right-click or use the interact button on the jukebox. Wait for the disc to pop out and for the music to stop. Then pick up the disc so it goes back into your inventory. That covers everything you need to know.